First, select Tool Path using the selection tool from the tool panel and click the paths while holding Shift to select multiple paths. Next, select Object from top menu and from the drop-down menu, select Path, then click Join or Windows shortcut Ctrl-J. Let's do another example and select these two lines with the selection tool while holding Shift. Go to Object Paths once again and click Join. Illustrator joins the ends of two paths together with straight line. Let's do another example and create lines from scratch using the Line Segment tool. In this example, I'm going to create a trapezoid shape by creating two lines. Now let's select these two lines by using the selection tool and holding Shift while clicking on the middle of the line. Go to Object once again, select Path, then click Join. Illustrator chose the ends of the paths that are closest are the first thing to be joined. If you hit Join one more time, the last two ends will be joined and will close to create a complete shape. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video.